What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to view the court status and join a spot when you're inside the park in NBA 2K26. So when you're walking around and wanna check the scores of the ongoing games or see if there are any open got next spots, there's a really simple way to do that using the court status feature. All you need to do is press up on the D-pad. Once you do that, you will be able to see all the active courts, the current game scores and the winning streaks of the teams playing. You will also see where the got next spots are available, so you can easily find a game to hop into. Now to join a spot, just walk over to any court that has an open got next circle and stand there for a moment. Your player will automatically queue up, and once the current game finishes, you will be added to the next match. You can also use the court status view to see player reps, team lineups and even where players are running around in real time. And if you wanna know your location, then use this cursor to know your exact location. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.